Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Brussels sprouts and bacon in the air fryer. I kid you not, friends, this is going to be the easiest side you'll ever make. This is going to be great for any potlucks, for the holidays, or even a low-carb meal prep option. I'm using a no added sugar bacon, but you can use any bacon of your choice. From there, I went ahead and purchased the shaved Brussels sprouts to save on time, and also because I'm lazy. You'll also need some garlic, onion powder, and black pepper. Go ahead and line your tray with some foil. You'll want to do this because we are cooking bacon. From there, go ahead and spread a thin layer of the Brussels sprouts into your tray. And go ahead and spread it out and give it a good shake. Whoops. We don't want him to miss out on all the fun. Or you can do it the easier way and spread it out with some tongs. The main thing here is you want to make sure the entire bottom of the tray is covered, but you want it to be thin enough so everything will cook evenly. Go ahead and start seasoning. I do recommend that you season generously to ensure that the Brussels will have as much flavor as possible. If not, this is going to taste like trash, and we don't want that. You'll notice I'm not adding any salt, and that's because you'll get the saltiness from the bacon. Speaking of bacon, go ahead and layer your bacon on top. I've used about half of the package. As long as 90% of your Brussels are covered, you should be good. Then go ahead and set it at 350 and cook for 5 minutes. Yay! First half is done. Okay, go ahead and take them out, and what you'll want to do is flip that bacon over. This will help make the bacon crispy evenly. And this doesn't need to be perfect by any means, y'all. Honestly, this is probably the laziest meal, or side, I should say, that I've ever made, and it kind of works out because you'll notice that the grease from the bacon drips onto the Brussels, so you literally do not have to do anything. I guess you could call me a genius. Go ahead and pop that back in at 350 for another 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Perfectly crispy, and the Brussels are perfectly cooked. Nothing that's burnt, and nothing tastes like charcoal, believe me. I went ahead and took some scissors and cut the bacon into pieces and then gave it another toss to make sure there's the perfect amount of bacon in every bite. That crispy bacon, I'm telling y'all, this is perfection, and it's making me hungry now that I'm rewatching the clip. Okay, there y'all have it. This yields 2 batches, so this should make about 4 servings. Total cook time took about 20 minutes, and total price of this was $8. You could definitely get this down to about $4 to $6 depending on where you purchase the bacon from. So tell me down below in the comments, what are you going to eat this with? Until next time.